this book sold out is very close to our hearts because it represents us, symbolizes us. Tyra and I are from a small city called Chandigarh, and there are 10 short stories, very rustic, very earthy.
Ever since you have left, I feel lonelier. It feels a part of me is gone. Don't know if I'd still be here to see you read my letter. A gut feeling tells me I perhaps might not. This letter is not to keep reminding you of your old, haggard auntie, but a way of showing my gratitude to all that you have done for me. I thank you from the bottom of my heart for those beautiful moments that I shared with you on the terrace, for the love you gave me, for your patience of listening to a techie auntie instead of playing out like the other children, for bringing in sweets at times, for shelling peanuts with me on our terrace, for combing my hair in the sun, for appreciating my dishes, for letting me know about your life, for helping me dry my clothes, and last but not the least, for writing those beautiful letters to me. I know, child, you might be surprised, and I knew it from the first day that it wasn't my son writing those letters, which is why I never wrote back. My son has not bothered to call me even once or share his address with me. I know him too well. He is my blood, but you are God's child. You took out time and made an effort to bring a smile to my fading years. It meant so much to me. I didn't want to hurt you because by not appreciating your devout efforts, but to be very honest with you, I became selfish. I wanted to lap up as much love as you could give. I wanted to transcend to your imaginative world and wanted to believe that such a family that you described so beautifully did exist.
If we can sell as many copies now in as many seconds that you clicked, then we've got the bestseller right here. Congratulations, all the best, and thank you for calling me and making me part of this wonderful moment.
Well, जॉन को सबसे पहले मैं बहुत बड़ा थैंक यू कहना चाहती हूँ बिकॉज इट्स रियली काइंड ऑफ हिम टू मेक टाइम फॉर दिस लॉन्च डिस्पाइट हिज बिजी स्केड्यूल एंड जितना उन्होंने अच्छा कहा है आई थिंक उन्होंने ही ज़्यादा अच्छा कहा है मेरी स्टोरीज आई रियली होप माई स्टोरीज लिव अप टू हिज एक्सपेक्टेशन because now his credibility rides on my book, so I'm really scared now. So yeah, and Ayush, he blushes at home also, so I maybe that's the thing I love about him as well.
मैं चांस नहीं देना चाहता, इनफैक्ट मैं उनको पूछना चाहता हूँ आई वॉन्ट तायरा टू राइट फॉर अस. आई होप वो एक दिन एक्सेप्ट करे इसको. और जैसे मैं यहाँ आ रहा था आई वॉज थिंकिंग अबाउट इट, क्या मैं उससे पूछूँ नहीं पूछूँ, बट आई थिंक शॉर्टकट रास्ता है. आयुष्मान जो मेरे साथ है, आई थिंक वी कैन कन्विंस तायरा टू राइट वन डे.
मैंने इंस्पायर मे भी कैसे किया होगा, आई थिंक हमारी केमिस्ट्री काफ़ी अच्छी है. वी थिंक अलाइक, वी बोथ आर स्लाइटली क्रिएटिव. और जब भी वो कुछ लिखती हैं तो मुझे सुनाती हैं. जब मुझे कोई स्क्रिप्ट ऑफर होती है मैं उनको दिखाता हूँ. ये स्क्रिप्ट अप्रूव पहले इनसे होती है, बाद में मेरे पास आती है.
A very clever one, like I said, sold, S-O-U-L, soulful stories and sold out. So I think it's a brilliant job done by him.
अकॉर्डिंग टू मी तायरा के लिए और स्पेशली आयुष्मान के लिए आई मस्ट टेल यू ऑल बीन एब्सोल्युटली काइंड. और जिस तरीके से मीडिया ने इनको सपोर्ट किया है, आई रियली थैंक यू ऑल. इट्स ब्यूटिफुल. और फ्यूचर में आई एम श्योर विद तायरा's books and Ayushman's films, he'll get the same kind and she'll get the same kind of support from you. So thank you so much. So Zardar, I also believe that all of us should be inspired more from books than from other films. Well, we are producing a Marathi film also, and we're looking at some regional films to produce. And definitely I'd love to produce a Malayalam film, because one of the best actors I believe in the country is a gentleman called Mohanlal. And I think he's just outstanding and so much to learn from him. And I hope he has a role in Jaffna that we're planning to do together.